But do you know that Tropical Island can be a great place to start a business? Here are some simple business idea Tropical Island. Explain true story that you can start in a tropical paradise, and please subscribe to this channel. 1. Beachfront Café. Lena moved to a small tropical island and noticed that tourists loved sitting by the beach with a good cup of coffee. She decided to open a small beachfront cafe with fresh fruits, smoothies, coconut water, and handmade pastries. Within a month, her cafe became the go spot for both locals and visitors. 2. Snorkeling and boat tour. Jake was an experienced diver and knew all the best snorkeling spots around the island. He bought a small boat and started taking tourists on snorkeling trips. He provided gear, took underwater photos, and even offered a seafood lunch on remote beach. His store became famous and soon he needed to hire more guides. 3. Homemade souvenir shop. Maria loved making jewelries and seashell and local stones. She set up a small shop near the market selling handmade necklaces, bracelets, and paintings made by local artists. Tourists love buying unique handcrafted souvenirs, and her business grew quickly. 4. Surfing and paddleboard lesson. Lena was a great surfer, and he noticed that many tourists want to try surfing but did not know how. He started offering beginner-friendly surfing lessons. Soon, his small business expanded to include paddleboarding and kayaking rentals. 5. Tropical fruit juice stand. Sophia noticed that the island had an abundance of fresh fruits like mangoes, pineapples, and coconuts. She set up a juice stand near a busy beach, selling fresh juice and smoothies. Tourists loved the refreshing drinks, and soon she expanded to selling fruit bowls and others. 5. Bicycle and scooter rentals. David realized that tourists needed an easy way to explore the island. He started renting out bicycles and scooters. He also provided maps with best routes to hidden beaches and beautiful views. His rental service became popular, especially with couples and solo travelers. 7. Beach yoga and wellness retreat. Emma was a yoga instructor who moved to a tropical island for a peaceful life. He started offering morning beach yoga sessions for tourists. Soon, she expanded into full wellness retreats, including meditation, juice, and other spa treatments. 8. Seafood restaurant with local cuisine. Carlos was a great cook and loved making seafood dishes. He opened a small restaurant by the shore, serving fresh grilled fish, shrimp, tacos, and tropical salad. Word spread quickly and his restaurant became must-visit spots. 9. Photograph service for tourists. Nina loved photograph and noticed that tourists often struggle to take a good vacation photos. She started offering professional beaches photo shoots, capturing beautiful sunset moments for couples and families. Her business became it, especially for the honeymooners. 10. Eco-friendly bamboo resorts. Mark and Lily wanted to create a unique, eco-friendly place to stay. They built a small bamboo cottage surrounded by tropical gardens. Using solar panels for energy, their resorts attract eco-conscious travelers and even hosted workshops on sustainable living. Starting a business on tropical island does not require big investment. It's all about using island natural beauty, local resources, and what tourists love most. Whether it is a small cafe, a surfing school, or a handmade souvenir shop, they are a way to turn island life into profitable ventures.